Okay, here's 3 pieces of Boulder Opal from central Queensland, out of that Opalton area, main side. The main side is where it's come from. Rules in millimetres, the material's been wetted. White, you can see there's a reflection of the lights. We'll just get a bit closer. Okay, first piece, bordering onto matrix. Greens over this side, purpley blues over this side. Material's quite hard, so I'll polish up well. Second piece, might be a little bit of a stain under there, but probably nothing much to get excited about. Last piece is this piece that's been blocked out with a larger stone. A couple of stones here. Again, what you see is what you'd be cutting. Anyway, I hope you've enjoyed looking. Cheers.